Hello guys, welcome to Win Academy. If you want to feel the new fragrance of education, then let's join the Win Academy YouTube channel by subscribing it. In this video, we will see the latest current affairs which has happened on the October 6th, 2018. Indian Chief Election Commissioner Mr. Prakash Rawat has announced the dates for state assembly elections for 5 different states, which is going to happen in the end of 2018. And today, it means October 6th, 2018, all the dates have been announced for these 5 different states assembly elections. Let us know some of the important facts about these states so that we can get some idea about these 5 states. Let's get started. First of all, we have to know what are those 5 different states in which the elections will happen in the month November and December in the year 2018. Those states are Chhattisgarh, Madhyapradesh, Mizoram, Rajasthan and Telangana. As we all know, our Chief Election Commissioner of India is right now Prakash Rawat. This person has announced the latest dates which is going to be conducted for different assembly elections of these states. Let us know some of the important facts of these 5 different states. The first state is Chhattisgarh. The capital of this state is Atalnagar, which is a new construction capital, but right now the capital is Raipur. Present CM is Raman Singh, belongs to BJP party. Present governor of Chhattisgarh is Anandi Ben patel, who have taken the additional charge from Madhyapradesh. She holds both Madhyapradesh and Chhattisgarh governancy. Number of assembly seats in Chhattisgarh right now is 90 seats, and the election for this state will be held in 2 phases. For phase 1, the elections will be conducted for 18 constituencies on November 12, 2018, and in phase 2, the elections will be conducted for 72 constituencies on November 20th, 2018, and the counting of votes will be common for all the 5 states on December 11, 2018. On that day itself, the result will be announced. Next, Madhya Pradesh. The capital of this state is Bhopal. Right now the CM of this state is Shivaraj Singh Chauhan, who is a BJP veteran. Present governor of Madhya Pradesh is Anandi Ben patel. 230 seats are there in the assembly of Madhya Pradesh, and the elections for this state will be held in one single phase, and in this single phase will be held for 230 constituencies on November 28th, 2018, and the result will be announced, and the counting is also on the same day, that is on December 11th, 2018. Next, Mizoram. It is one of the northeastern Indian state. The capital is Aizwal. Present CM is Lal Thanhawla, who is from Indian National Congress Party. Present governor of this state is Kummanam.Rajashekarn, and the number of assembly seats in Mizoram assembly is 40, and the elections for this assembly will be held in one single phase, that is on November 28th, 2018, and the counting of votes will be held on December 11th, 2018, and the result also will be on that day itself. Next, Rajasthan. The capital is Jaipur. Right now the CM of this state is Vasundhara Raje, who is a BJP party chief, and the present governor of this state is Kalyan Singh, and the number of assembly seats in this state is 200, and the elections for all these 200 constituencies will be held in one single phase, that is on December 7th, 2018, and the counting of votes will be on December 11th, and the result also on the day itself. Next, Telangana. The capital is Hyderabad. Present CM of Telangana is ChandrashekarRao, who is from Telangana Rashtra Samiti party. Present governor is E.S.L Narasimhan, and the number of assembly seats of Telangana assembly right now is 119, and the elections for this state will be held in one single phase, that is for all 119 constituencies on December 7th, 2018, and the counting of votes will be held on December 11th, 2018. That's it guys. I hope you have got the enough idea about these 5 different states, so that we will have the GK static part in your knowledge. If you like the content of this video, please like the video and share the video as much as possible with your friends. And if you have not subscribed our channel so far, Win Academy, please subscribe our channel Win Academy and hit the like button for our video content. Thanks for watching.